gagawin natin? Kuya, nagigibuhon ta. Nagigibuhon ta?
Masaod.
Okay. Raymond!
Baba.
Raymond! Raymond, ano na?
It's just me, come apart at the seams. Here at the symphony, and nothing seems to help me breathe. Is it just me? Baby, it's not my scene. Eating our tangerines with just our fingers in the spring.
Is it recording na?
Yes.
So, for now, we managed to make this more comfortable to sleep on.
So yan po. Ate, ilalagay ko to sa final cut.
My tangerine, like oxygen. It's just me, baby, don't make me
Picture binibigyan ng kuya.
I feel a little bleak and I just need some company.
Bakit pabalik na piyaban-aban? Hi guys, it's our first night and we can't sleep. Ay, baliktad. Ay, tama ba? Hi Arams, kamusta ang second day? Ngayong tapos ka na mag-breakfast. Nakaka-what the fuck? Bakit? Bakit? Ganito kasi. Kwento mo yan. Okay. Bumangon ako para mag-jabs. Narrative report!
Narrative report.
Sige,
Ate, go ate.
Eh di nakaharap ako doon. And ito yung
ilinaw mo.
Oo.
Common CR.
Common CR siya. Pag open ko ng ilaw, wow! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Ano sabi ng cool?
Kanina pa ako naghihintay dito. 2 piraso sila.
Kailan mo ka ipa-flash?
Yes! Tapos, feeling ko fresh siya kasi nung binusa ko wow! Sarili! Nahay kumalat! na may air freshener.
So anong kukunin ninyo?
Manghiram ng walis ng buhok. Yes.
Bakit magahiro?
Ano ba dapat sabihin sa paghihiram ng walis ng Kuya, may isang
You. Ako si kuya.
mata ko.